So Dr. Nettles is going to listen to posterior lung sounds, and we already have them marked for you, so she's going to show you.
So the biggest point to remember when listening to your posterior lung sounds is you're kind of tracing the scapula. You can't listen too far over or you end up listening right on bone. So you're sticking to this main area and then widening out as you progress. So we put on our stethoscope using our diaphragm side, and we start up here at the top. Full inspiration and expiration. You have to make sure you listen because you might not hear any adventitious sounds until the end. We go 1, 2, and then we don't go back here. We go 1, 2, move down on the same side, 3, 4. Once again, going around that bone, down 5, 6, down and widening out a little bit, 7 and 8.
Awesome. And can you listen for a full respiratory cycle for me so they can know
Sure.
how not to prematurely move their stethoscope?
Sure.
Okay, so I'm going to breathe. Okay, so you saw how Dr. Nettles never prematurely moved her stethoscope. You have to wait to the end expiration, which you may pick up a wheeze. So it's really important.
Mm-hmm.